Alright, so back again with the Camaro, man. I don't obviously I ain't posting nothing yet. Well, y'all probably don't know that. But just put a motor in this I don't know, maybe like a year ago, which the customer bought off of Facebook Marketplace. And yeah, here we are again. And this time he has dropped a lifter on cylinder 2, 4, one of those. I gotta double check, but I diagnosed it maybe 2 weeks ago. And yeah, I popped the valve cover, and sure enough, that lifter was dropped. So show y'all the goodies for today. Big goodies, big goodies. So we're going with the Texas Speed Stage 2 cam, as well as, hold on, as well as the DOD delete kit. So DOD, it's basically when it disables 4 of the cylinders to get better gas mileage, which it's a Camaro, bro. We don't need all that. So we got, boom, the cammy whammy crank bolt, some gaskets. This kit seems pretty comprehensive, for real. Pretty all-inclusive. DOD plug, some exhaust gaskets here, water pump gaskets, push rods for them, valve springs, looks like. We got here lifter trays, so the lifters sit in here. And once I get through the job, y'all will see what all these parts do. Cam phaser bolts for the camshaft phaser. You always replace these whenever you take them off, always. On just about any car that I've worked on. Head bolt kit. Looks like some sort of seal. Yep, crank seal probably. Front crank seal. Probably, I'm not sure. Looks like it though. And then what do we have? Let's look what that is. And then lifters. And actually, I'll start soaking those now. A couple head gaskets. Yes, sir. Then I'll also be doing tweaking. Phaser tool, phaser install tool. Some stickers and shipping info. Alright. So that's gonna be the main force of the job. And like I said, I'm gonna do long tube headers. And I'm also going to be doing, I think these are some lights he wants me to install. I'll just set these over here for now. I'll burn all that later. All right, so we'll go ahead and get started. I think this time I will work back forward, so I need to go underneath and disconnect the headers here and here. And then from there I can do pretty much everything else up top, except when I'm going back in with the headers. Yes, sir. Alright, so come down here, and only 6 bolts I gotta hit, right? So let's put some light here for y'all. It's gonna be these right here, the header collector, or 8 bolts, sorry. One. Two. Let's see, then we have, I keep smacking the camera. 3. y'all can see. 3. Bro, I love this bursting gun, man. I popped the crank bolt off with it yesterday. And for that one, I'm gonna need a swivel. Alright, so before I had to get up, I will hit these 3 that I can access over here on this side. Stud came with it. Side. Okay. There's one more in the back I can get. Maybe not on this side. Alright, so I need to grab, let's see. Dang. Grab this guy. Should get me straight. So we got one up here. Again, the stud came out. Turn this backwards because we're upside down. Okay, let's see if we can get it to spin off. Yes, sir. She was just stuck a little bit. But from here, should be able to just spin it out by hand. This has to go into the long 2 headers anyway, so that would have had to come out. Yep. Make sure it's not gonna bind up on the cat there. Get you out of there. Alright, cool. So that's all 8 of those. So now once I pop the header bolts up top, I'll be able to pull them up through the top as well. Just double check this side. I believe actually, yeah, the OTs are staying down here. Perfect. Alright, so I'm actually gonna take this car down a bit and then get busy up top, because I mean, like I said, pretty much all of my work's up top. Alright, so I know, I'm sorry that compressor's a little loud, but I'm just gonna start by blowing up the engine bay, get everything clean. So what I'm doing now is disconnecting everything from cylinder heads. Start over here. We'll probably, well, yeah, and then work my way over there. So these are the same type. You just pull this red clip back and then push down on this connector piece to free up the tab that holds it in. Okay. Okay, and these, you just pull this part back, get this secondary clip out of here, and then you get this tool, and you just jam it up in here to compress the springs, or little tangs that are holding that in. So that's fully engaged, and now once I pull back on the fuel line, it'll pop right off, like so. I'm gonna do this one too. You don't really have to, but just trying to free up as much space as possible. So again, you pull that tab back, insert your tool, make sure it's got a good closure around there, and then you should be able to see it insert like that. It just pulls right off. So what I ended up figuring out was Just taking it off with me. So now that's not reusable, is it? Can be. Let me grab a pick just so I can put that back how I got it when I'm done. Could just use one big zip tie, but you know. Nope. Nope, that's getting cut. I'm gonna use one big one. Alright, this one I'll just tuck up here. Secure it out the way. And this one, God dang it. Oh my God, bro. In my mouth, in my nose, what? I'll probably be spitting for a while, y'all. Don't mind me. Y'all saw what happened. And these don't have to go in any type of order. They can, any wire and coil can go on any cylinder. In case y'all was wondering. Cause that's controlled by the computer. That's when it's told when to fire. So it will be all right. Probably sling that over there once I get this cover off. Alright. All the coils and wires have been removed. I think I'm gonna smack intake real quick. Let me see. So I normally just start from the inside out. Should be all of them. See if she pops up. Ooh, oh, brake booster hose probably. Man, what? Very easy to work on, man. Set his intake right here for now. Let's get off the fuel rail silencer. Alright, bet. So that sucks. What was I about to say? So start getting this fuel rail off. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, I got mad busy. I wasn't recording like a lot what I was doing. So basically, I think I stopped at, as you can see, the radiator and the condenser's out. Where that joint at? Bro, you gotta do so much to get this joint out. They come out as one piece. Got that up out of there. Oh, this is Jeff, by the way. Say what's up, Jeff.
What's up, gang?
So got the cam out, which we set right here. That's the old cam there. So now we about to start going in with some new parts, bro. About to start going in with some new parts.
Tell them how long it took you to tear this shit down.
Like a day and a half, honestly. I mean, that's bare block pretty much besides the bottom end, bro. Yes, sir. Yeah, so I'm gonna start lubing up the cam, throw some gloves on actually. And we're gonna slide that thing on in there. Something funny? Actually, I have this from my camshaft install. We're gonna lube it up, bruh. I like this stuff. The goop. No cap. That's what we need. Come on, bruh. So yeah, we just want to make sure everything is lubed up so she go in nice and easy. All right, so now I'll slide this thing on in the motor. Oh. Just gotta make sure she go in nice and even. Got to get that back end up. There she goes.
She in there.
So just want to make sure it's about where, because the I believe it came with a new phaser, but it has to be pointing straight down at the crank. That's how I took it off. And that's cylinder 1 at top dead center too. So the cam is in there. Crank it up.
Don't have to tell me twice, please.
What? Come on, bro. Not yet. So yeah, man, we just got to, from here, I actually need to go do something, man. I'm throwing this away. All right, so a lot took place. Yo. Saw Corbin? Where? Oh, where? You said what's up to him? Yeah. Yes, sir. All right, so a lot took place, bro. I stopped recording, god dang. So we got the timing cover back on with the fresh cam in there. I don't think I recorded none of that, so that's on me. That's on me. But yeah, she's all in time. I just installed the lifters actually with the lifted trays, and now I'm going in with these plugs here. It's the DOD delete oil plugs. These little suckers right here. So it's actually really easy, but when you put it like over the bore, see if I can get it good. Oh, good video. When you put it over the bore, it's a little too big, so you just gotta make sure it's straight before you mink that joint out. So with that being said, very so annoying, bro. Okay, so that started. So you get that nice firm thunk. You heard me?
Okay.
So at long last, bro, here she is. She is all tuned up. I ended up having to put a dang one-piece drive shaft on it because actually I can just show y'all. He drove it around maybe a few weeks, and I think he said someone drove it and he got it back and it was making a crazy noise. So what I found it to be was center support band, man, cooked out. This was hitting the body of the car when he was driving. So, but got that squared away. Also had to do an alternator. But yeah, man, she is up and running good too. Ugh. Crank this thing up. Big yapper. That don't sound crazy, bruh. The finished product. Everything else pretty much done, man. Y'all saw what all had to go into the build, like installing the cams and whatnot. So yeah, now the customer can enjoy his car. I'm gonna actually take it around the block right quick. That thing's shaking, boy. Make sure y'all got a good view. Huh? Yeah, just up and down the street. Well, shoot, if he gonna be in here, I'm gonna have him record this. Hey, if you gonna be in here, just record this show.
The motor itself is quiet.
Right? You don't hear nothing up there, bro. It's all in the back. No ticking, tapping, patting, nothing. So yes, sir. This is a real smooth ride, bro. This show just sound aggressive, bro. Like it's angry at you.
She mad.
Evan. It is a cold day, so I ain't gonna go too crazy, but gotta show y'all something, bro.
It's a smooth, what is that?
Look, 35 right here.
35 degrees. And it's quite windy today as well. my seatbelt on real.
Yeah, no cap, bro. Yes, it's smooth, bro. Man, y'all should have heard this joint when the drive shaft was messed up, bro. It sounded crazy. Yeah, I told him, I was like, bro, I'm not driving that like that. I took it up to here and then I went right back. Hey! Already spin this joint by accident. Tell her to go, bro. When I tell her. Hold up. Hit the auto rev bench. I messed that up. Let me go. Beautiful. Chris Jones. Gotta give him the outside view, bro.
Easy work. Hey, bro. Yo, that shit is crazy.
That's so loud, ain't it, bro? God, I did do a little pull past you, bro. So you can feel that hoe. Oh, bro. No. What? Come on, bro. Oh. But yeah, bro. GoPro still rolling? Yeah. Yes, sir. That's about it, man. Another happy customer in the books. Better park it up now and get it ready. Oh.
Did you stall out twice?
When I was driving, I did.
Yeah, I heard it.